All right. So I'm in the middle of my day. All right. There's a ton of things I need to do. Okay. Emailing people is a big part of any marketing. You know, you put out a new piece of content, you want to tell your people about it, right? You want to blast it out real quick. So I've been using Mailchimp for a few years. I don't know why, because they're so I've just been having I just have Mailchimp, right? Let's see how many contacts I have in here. God, it's even loading slow. So I got 1,900 contacts in here. This is from my this is just from doing YouTube videos. On my website, if you go to my website, let's go to my slow ass website. All right, it's on WordPress. I know it sucks. I'm sorry. I have to move it to Webflow. Okay, but you go to my website, okay, and you scroll down somewhere here, and it says, "Hey, sign up and get some free stuff." Cool. This is a Mailchimp form, right? They pop their email in here. They're added to my Mailchimp email list, right? And then they get an email from Mailchimp with a little freebie from me. It's a Stylescape template, okay? Whatever. Do you know how many people go to this after seeing my video, pop in their email, get the freebie, and then unsubscribe? It's a ton of people. Have you ever done that? I've done that. It's very fucking normal, right? Here, you get this, then you get this, and they're like, thank you, and then they leave because, you know, they don't care. They don't want more content. They just want the freebie. It's completely understandable. This is fucking email marketing, man. This is as normal as it gets. So, I log in today. This will be the third time this has happened to me in the past, 2 years. Your account has one or more issues that need to be resolved. Let's view them. Okay. You have a 10.9% unsubscribe rate to your campaign. Welcome email. That is the goddamn email that has a freebie in it. People are getting this email. They are opening it. They are clicking the little link. They are getting the download. And then they are unsubscribing. They aren't saying, thanks for the download, Mike. This is spam. They aren't doing that. Idiots. If they were doing that, I would completely understand. They're saying, fuck Mike, he's sending spam, and then Mailchimp can get mad about it. I completely understand that. Cool, but they aren't. They're getting what they want from it, and then they're unsubscribing. This couldn't be more normal, Mailchimp. So what the fuck does Mailchimp want me to do? Mailchimp wants me to send an email to my 2,000 email subscribers that says, hi, I know I've already gone through the massive hassle to get you on this list. I know I've already made videos and content that convinced you to subscribe to this list, but Mailchimp is a piece of shit, so they would like me to ask you again, are you sure you want to be on this list? Do you know what the fucking return rate on that's going to be? It's like 10%. They are destroying my email list. They want me to send a button to my 2,000 people that says, are you sure you want to be on this list? And if they don't open that email, if they do not click that button, they are removed from my email list and I can never email them again from Mailchimp. This is the third time. The third time Mailchimp has done this to me. This is the third time that they are absolutely destroying my email list. If it wasn't for this, I would be somewhere around, I think, 6,000 or 7,000 subscribers at this point. They asked to be on this list. It's double opt-in. They have to type in their email to my website, and then Mailchimp sends them an email that says, are you sure you want to be on this email list? And they say yes. Is that not enough? If you are considering using any sort of email marketing, do not use Mailchimp. So you know what my next tab is? I don't know if you noticed. How to export Mailchimp from your contacts. So I'm going to tell you right now, this is how you do it. Let's do it together. You go to all contacts, then you click export audience, and then you go to your member export, you click export as CSV. It'll take a little while, and when it's done, they'll let you know and you can download it. All right? That's how you get out of these idiots' grip. Absolutely ridiculous. You should be ashamed, Mailchimp. You suck. I have another account on Mailchimp with over 80,000 email subscribers. It was a paid account. You know, I don't know what that was per month, like $400 or $500 a month I was paying these idiots. They did the same thing to me over there. You know what happened to that 80,000 user list? It went down to like, I don't know, 800 people or something. Anyway, what I suggest you do, I use something called Yesware. It's a plugin that plugs, it's a Chrome plugin, okay? And what you do is you get a Gmail My Business account, right? A G Suite account. So, you know, you can have info@michaeldishman.com, right? And that's your Gmail address, but they don't know it's Gmail. You install this tool. It's a plugin that goes into Gmail, and you can manage email lists directly from there, and it will send automatically, 10,000 emails for you from your G Suite account. Google doesn't give a shit unless you're getting into like way crazy numbers. Like honestly, like 80,000 contacts, that'd probably be an issue. You'd have to look into that. But my audience doesn't have 80,000 contacts. We all got thousands. We're not that big. So if you have a suggestion for bigger email lists, let me know. And you know what, by the way, when your email comes from a Google server, from the G Suite server, it lands in Gmail addresses. It doesn't go to spam. So Mailchimp's bullshit, it goes to the spam all the time. I get my mom telling me that my email went to spam from Mailchimp, okay? I can't believe that I need to make a video about this, but I am so upset at their garbage company that I just can't even. Yesware's where to go. It has a whole unsubscribe thing. It all works. You know, if someone doesn't want an email from you, they can send you back unsubscribe. They can click unsubscribe and it'll do it all for you. It segments, it merges. It's absolutely beautiful. And the deliverability is way above what a Mailchimp server would do. So be smart, go with something else, anything else but Mailchimp. Thanks for watching this video. Hey, you know what? I really appreciate it. Let me know your experiences with Mailchimp. Do you have a good experience with Mailchimp? Do you like Mailchimp? Am I insane? Because I don't feel insane. They make me feel insane. And hey, you know what? You know what the good thing out of this was? Now I know what my next video is.